Ladies and gentlemen, you clicked on this video. Chances are you want to elevate your mindset and become financially successful. We're often told that we need to go through years of schooling, get a degree, and wait even longer to achieve wealth. But it's actually much simpler than that. Most people want to become wealthy for three main reasons: to gain freedom from a job they dislike, to achieve status and respect, and to enjoy the luxury of buying whatever they desire without asking. If you're ready to elevate your mindset, you're in the right place. My name is Colin, and I'm a student at Yale University studying computer science. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful habits that can make you so rich, you'll start questioning the very meaning of money. First habit is reading books. Instead of spending time on trivial content, dive into books about business and psychology. Reading is the fastest way to accumulate years of wisdom in just a few pages. And you'll start seeing financial success in your mind long before it shows up in your bank account. Here are 5 essential books to get you started. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. Learn about lifestyle design and how to work less while making more money. The Psychology of Money by Housel. Discover common mistakes people make with money. The Almanack of Naval Ravikant. Comprehensive guide on building wealth and leveraging online opportunities. 100 Million Odd Offers by Hormozi. Master the art of creating irresistible offers. $1 Million Weekend by Kegan. Step-by-step strategies to build a successful online business. Reading a book a month is very doable. Over 6 months, you'll gain valuable money wisdom that could make you smarter than many business professionals who take years to learn the same lesson. Second habit is watching insightful podcasts and videos. Avoid pointless entertainment and focus on content that helps you generate wealth. Here are some videos to get you started. How to Get Rich Without Getting Lucky by Naval Ravikant. Reprogram Your Mind to Be Rich in 22 Minutes by Hormozi. How Billionaires Think by Sam Ovens. The One-Person Business Model by Dan Coe. This isn't fun, but it makes me $2K an hour by Alex Becker. Actively take notes while you watch and apply these insights to your life. You can also listen to interviews with CEOs and millionaires. For example, while I'm in the gym, I often listen to podcasts and take notes between sets. If you're interested in sales and marketing, check out Hormozi's content. For cold calling and agency building, Charlie Morgan has valuable advice. And if you're aiming for billionaire-level success, there are other creators who can offer guidance. Habit 3. The third habit is to learn evergreen, future-proof skills. Choose skills that align with your personality. Creative. Focus on writing, video editing, and design. Charismatic. Explore marketing, sales, and content creation. Hands-on. Learn programming, software development, and building online stores. When you combine your unique strengths with valuable skills, you become unstoppable. Specialized knowledge can also be lucrative, whether it's fitness, aesthetics, or any other field. As for investing in stocks or crypto, don't focus on these until you have a solid skill that generates significant income. With just a small amount of capital, it's unrealistic to expect to become a millionaire through investing alone. Build those high-income skills first. I hope you found value in this video. For more exclusive wisdom on elevating your mindset and achieving success, follow me on Instagram. Remember, we're all on a journey to win, and with the right habits, you'll get there. See you in the next video.